Hello, good people. Welcome to day 19 of our daily Python test. Today we're looking at a simple Boolean check function. That's the challenge today. We're creating a function named Boolean. It takes in 3 parameters and it's going to check if all 3 parameters are true or if one of them is false. If all 3 are true, it's going to return true, but if any of them is false, it's going to return false. Booleans are just true or false value. In Python, it's this or this. So let's create our function. First, we create our function and name it appropriately based on what they ask us here. Then we have to pass in 3 parameters. Let's just call our parameters A, B, C. Then we now have to check if the 3 parameters are true. So what we'll do is if A and B and C equal true, return true. Then if not, return false. Yeah, this is all about what they ask us to do. Really short, really straightforward. But if you want to know more about this and operand here, please let me know in the comment section below, or chat me up on WhatsApp, or give me a call and I'll explain it properly to you. Or if you want to know more about Boolean values, I'll be more than happy to explain it. Let's run our code to see if it's correct. Yeah, we're done. Thanks for being here today. Remember to drop a like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so you don't get to miss any day. Thank you for watching. Happy coding.